A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal victory for migrants from Venezuela and Haiti, a federal judge in California has ruled against the Trump administration's attempt to terminate temporary protected status, TPS, for over 600,000 individuals. U.S. District Judge Edward Chun delivered the ruling on Friday, stating that the actions taken by the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, Secretary Kristi Noem, to revoke TPS extensions were unlawful and exceeded her authority. This decision means that those whose temporary protections had expired or were set to expire will be allowed to remain in the United States, continuing to live and work without the threat of deportation. The ruling comes after an appeals court had previously blocked Trump's plans to end the protections, indicating that the plaintiffs were likely to prevail in their claims against the administration's actions. TPS is a designation granted to individuals from countries experiencing unsafe conditions, such as natural disasters or political instability, allowing them to stay in the U.S. and work legally. With conditions in both Haiti and Venezuela still dire, Judge Chun emphasized the need for these protections, highlighting the dangers that would await returnees in their home countries. The ruling is particularly crucial as millions of Venezuelans have fled their homeland due to political unrest, rampant unemployment, and severe food shortages, while Haitians continue to face widespread gang violence and hunger following years of turmoil. The Biden administration had previously extended TPS designations for both countries, but Noem's administration sought to reverse these extensions, claiming improvements in conditions. However, Judge Chun found that her actions were not only unprecedented, but also arbitrary and capricious, violating the law. The case was brought forward by the National TPS Alliance and a group of Venezuelan migrants who argued that the DHS secretary did not have the authority to unilaterally revoke the TPS extensions granted by the previous administration. The judge's 69-page decision detailed the rushed nature of the process and the lack of consultation with relevant agencies, marking a critical moment in the ongoing debate over immigration policy in the United States. The ruling may face an appeal from the Justice Department, which has criticized the decision, stating that the TPS program has been misused in the past. The TPS program was established in 1990 to provide temporary protections for migrants from countries facing extraordinary conditions. As the Biden administration continues to navigate this complex issue, the future of TPS remains uncertain, particularly as political dynamics shift with changing administrations. The implications of this ruling are profound, potentially affecting the lives of hundreds of thousands of individuals who have built their lives in the U.S. while fleeing dangerous situations back home. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.